There is a new kind of AI that is quietly changing how creators turn long videos into snackable viral clips. Once you see it, you will likely be asking yourself, wait, is it really that easy now? If you have ever spent hours scrubbing through a long podcast just to find those few golden seconds that blow up on social media, this is the solution you need. Back in the day, we had to jump between different tools, edit in complex software, and manually create captions for every single clip. You would sit there creating markers, cropping out awkward pauses, and essentially treating content creation like a part-time job. But with this new workflow, the entire process collapses into a few simple clicks with way less headache. Let me show you the magic of how this works in real time. I drag in a full hour-long interview and simply hit the create button to let the system go to work. In under a minute, the system scans the entire file to find the highest engagement moments automatically. It instantly creates multiple short edits, generates captions, and proposes the perfect thumbnail frames for you. You get a stack of clips that are already trimmed, normalized, and captioned for social platforms. That is the core magic, because it handles all the manual scrubbing and hunting for the right beat so you do not have to. But that is just the starting point, as the software gives you three big pillars that feel like having an expert assistant. First, the system does not just pick random highlights. It uses AI to find emotional peaks, punchlines, and strong hooks. It creates multiple versions of the same moment, like short and long cuts with zoom effects, so you can test what works best. Want a 15-second reel and a 60-second short from the same clip, all fully captioned with high energy? Second, you can automate your schedule so you stop posting manually and start letting consistency do the heavy lifting. You simply tell the software how often you want content out, and it will queue them up and pick the best posting times. For creators who hate the daily grind of manually hitting publish, this automation alone is a total game changer. Third, you get a content calendar that acts as your editorial command center for everything you produce. You can see all your generated clips laid out by date, make quick edits, or swap thumbnails in seconds. Want to push a clip forward because a trend just dropped? Or batch edit captions across 10 clips at once? The calendar also lets you manage cross-platform posts so you are not duplicating work for every different app. Now, you might be thinking, how accurate is this really when it comes to understanding your content? The answer is that it learns from your specific content, meaning the more you use it, the better it understands your unique pacing. Every time it creates clips, it suggests alternative cuts and titles, so you can quickly test different ideas without rebuilding from scratch. Let us look at a real workflow, like if you were running a tech podcast. You upload the episode and the software spits out a dozen clips including hot takes, in-depth explanations, and reaction moments. It also gives you title suggestions, hashtags, and the best time slots to post based on your own performance data. You can preview them, pick a handful, hit schedule, and watch your calendar fill up for the week. If you are a creator who likes control, you can still be hands-on with every single detail of the clips. The key is that the heavy lifting is automated, meaning the tool does not replace your creativity, it accelerates it. Let us compare this with other tools to understand why this is not just another standard video editor. Traditional professional software is powerful, but it is manual and slow, which makes it tough for high-volume content. Other tools might handle thumbnails or basic captions, but they often leave you doing repetitive manual work. The advantage here is the combination of intelligent clip discovery, automatic scheduling, and a calendar built for high volume. There are also smart features like templates, which allow you to apply a specific format across a batch of clips instantly. You can also use branching, which is like exploring creative rabbit holes to see which version performs better. For the data lovers, the platform surfaces performance insights showing you which types of clips work best for your audience. It even shows you the best posting windows by platform and highlights the thumbnails that get the most clicks. The platform even supports campaigns where you can test different hooks, openers, and captions to find your winning formula. You might be worried about losing your unique voice, but you retain full edit control and smart suggestions at every step. If you prefer a raw conversational clip or a punchy high high-energy cut, the AI adapts to the vibe you choose. A great practical tip is to start small by uploading one long episode and letting the system generate a dozen clips. Monitor what gets the best lift and then iterate with a variation campaign on the top performers. Over a month, you will have a steady stream of content that used to take you an entire day, now finished in mere minutes. Also, do not ignore cross-platform nuance, as a clip that works on one app might need a different title on another. Use the calendar to tweak those settings and let the automation handle the rest of the heavy lifting. To sum up, this is not just another editor, but an operational upgrade for creators who want to scale up without burnout. It finds the moments, formats them, captions them, suggests the best titles, and schedules them all for you. Combine that with campaign testing, and you end up with a content machine instead of a creative bottleneck. If you are a creator who wants to scale without hiring a team or staying up all night editing, give this a spin. Try it on one long video and see how many usable posts are hiding in a single episode. Check the links in the description if you want to see how this system can help you publish more consistently. Compare the results against your current tool and decide which workflow actually helps you grow. That is it. Go make more stuff, post more consistently, and let the system handle the grunt work for you. This technology just makes the whole process way less painful and way more fun.